So this is the second experiment, study of the properties of acids and bases. Aim of the experiment is to study the properties of acids and bases, that is HCl and NaOH, by using their reaction with first one litmus solution, that is blue or red, and second one is zinc metal, third one sodium carbonate. Requirements: test tube stand, cork with a center hole, deliver tube, chemicals: blue and red litmus solution or litmus papers, zinc granules, solid sodium carbonate, sodium hydroxide solution, distilled water, lime water, and hydrochloric acid. Procedure: take about 5 ml of HCl in a test tube, dilute it with about 10 ml of distilled water. Take 2 test tubes. Take 1 ml of blue litmus solution in a first test tube and 1 ml of red litmus solution in the second test tube. Add 2 or 3 drops of diluted HCl in each test tube, or put 2 to 3 drops of diluted HCl on stir of the blue or red litmus paper. Observe and note down the change in the color of the litmus solution or litmus paper. Repeat the same procedure for NaOH solution. Note the observations. Observation table. Observation for HCl. And second one, observation for NaOH. First one, change in the color of blue litmus solution or paper for HCl. The change of the color turns to red. In NaOH change, we cannot observe any changes. Second one, change in the color of red litmus solution or paper. For HCl, we are not going to identify any changes, and for NaOH it turns blue color. Take a few zinc granules, a test tube, add 2 ml of HCl in it. Wait for 5 minutes till the reaction starts. Take a cork with a glass rod deliver tube and fit it to the test tube. Note the color of the gas evolved. Bring a burner candle near the mouth of the delivered tube. Repeat the same procedure with NaOH solution. Note the observation. From the observation, it is concluded that reaction with the zinc granules, color and odor of the gas evolved. For HCl, colorless and odorless. For NaOH, colorless and odorless. Bringing a burner candle near to the mouth of the delivered tube. For HCl, H2 gas burns with a pop sound. Similarly, for NaOH, H2 gas burns with a pop sound, that is Take a pinch of, and the next one is the take a pinch of solid sodium carbonate in a dry test tube. Add 1 or 2 ml of diluted HCl in it. A vigorous reaction start. Note the color of the gas evolved. Pass this gas through fresh lime water and observe the changes produced. Repeat the same procedure for NaOH solution. Note the observations. From this observation, reaction with the sodium carbonate, color and odor of the gas evolved. For HCl, we cannot observe any color changes or odor changes, and no reaction will take place in presence of NaOH. Change observed in lime water. For HCl, lime water turns milky. Carbon dioxide gas will be get evolved in HCl, and we cannot observe any kind of the changes in the NaOH. So conclusion or inference is dilute HCl turns the color of the blue litmus paper solution or paper to red. No change in the color of the red litmus paper solution or paper. NaOH solution turns paper of the red litmus paper solution or paper to the blue. No change in the color of the blue litmus solution or paper. And second one, zinc granules react with the acid as well as base and liberates hydrogen gas. So whenever acid react with the metals, it releases gas, hydrogen gas. Sodium, third one, solid sodium carbonates react with a diluted HCl, liberates carbon dioxide as a gas. And the reaction is Na2CO3 plus 2HCl plus 2NaCl H2O plus carbon dioxide is get released. Here NaCl is a white insoluble. And third one, solid sodium carbonate react with a diluted HCl, liberates carbon dioxide gas. Na2CO3 when reacts with a 2HCl, it forms a 2NaCl plus H2O plus carbon dioxide. Again here NaCl is a white insoluble. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through fresh lime water, that is calcium hydroxide, white soluble calcium hydroxide carbonate is formed due to the which is lime water turns milky. If carbon dioxide gas is further passed through the same milky water, then it becomes colorless due to the formation of soluble calcium bicarbonate. So calcium bicarbonate formula is CaHCO3. It's obtained by adding CaCO2 with the water and carbon dioxide. Sodium hydroxide NaOH does not react with the sodium carbonate. So this, thank you. This is the second experiment of your class 10th chemistry.